The mysterious world of DeepFake. Deepfake technology can be used for sexual content, domestic violence, hate speech, and other types of illegal content. The deepfake technology is getting better and better. Deepfakes could be used to manipulate public opinion or manipulate public perception of reality. Let's not forget this type of technology is being developed by the likes of Google and Facebook. Deepfake is a portmanteau of deep learning and fake. Brandon Atriok found himself in the middle of a great deal of controversy recently. During a stream on January 26, 2023, the content creator and co-founder of Offbrand was caught with a tab on his browser that featured deepfakes of popular streamers.
We're at the dawn of artificial intelligence, and already the lines between real and fiction are becoming blurred. A world where shadows are mistaken for the real thing, and sometimes we need to radically change our perspective to see the things the way they really are.